team staff headed by Ms. Nelibeth Elna Brahmaen, Senior High School Principal, Yamba Pangru. Golden State College, General Santos City College Department.
Ayan, ngayong hapon mga idol, no? Diri ko karon sa Lagaw, Golden State College. Karon ang ilang graduation mga idol. First time ni naitabo sa Golden State College na diri sa eskwelahan nila i-held nilang graduation mga idol, no? Mo na yung mga flowers vendors mga idol, no? Ayan. Wala yung mga lalay sa mga photographer mga idol. Hindi na ito makita ang mga flower vendors mga idol, oh, daggan tayo. Tropas tumoy mga idol. Ayan. Oh. Mga idol, oh. So royo na ito diri mga idol, diri dapita sa pikat. Ano yung uban nga flower vendors. Doon na tayo interview nga usa ka photographer mga idol, no? Wa na to siya komento. Idol, unsay mo masulti nga diri sa eskwelahan nila i-held ang ilang graduation?
Ang aking masasabi ko, ang masulti na to, okay lang yapon. Medyo komportable ang eskwelahan at walang delikado para sa mga lindo-lindo.
So say kalainan kung sa Lagaw Gym o diri sa eskwelahan mga idol?
Ang kalainan sa Lagaw Gym kay gamay lang ang naninda dito mga buko. Ito diri daghan kay mga tinda. Ini gawas sa mga estudyante makakaon sila busog.
Imo idol nga diri mo sa gawas nagpwesto.
Okay lang di sa labas kami sir.
Okay lang.
Maraming salamat sir at sana po meron ng mapicture tayo ngayon.
Okay. Sige idol.
Okay, thank you. Okay lang ba dito sir?
The Golden State College Senior High School Department, General Santos City, headed by Ms. Rachel K. Stiplos Maen and Elda May Esmani LPT. The entrance of the department heads, college deans, and program heads, beginning with Mr. Gary A. Balafer, Master of Arts in Business Administration, Human Resource Officer. Rosario, PhD, Executive Assistant to the Dean of the College of Criminology. Mr. Rose Nancy Yonsho, R. Green, Program Head, College of Criminology. Ms. Jocelyn Avellanosa Tague, Program Head, College of Hospitality Management. Dr. Leonito Q. Guardeno, PhD, OIC Program Coordinator, Tourism Management. Mr. Albert S. Algambre, MSSW, Program Head, Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Dr. Jose Rafael G. Nape, PhD, College Dean, College of Hospitality Management, Golden State College, Asin Campus. Mr. Jusoro J. Cabrera, MMHM, Program Head, College of Hospitality Management, Golden State College of Kiamba Campus. Ms. Romana Marie R. Absalon, Program Head, College of Hospitality Management, Golden State College of Malumon Campus. Mr. Elmer M. Maloyo Jr., MMIT, Program Head, College of Information Technology Education. Mr. Roman M. Dalbonton, MMIT, Program Head, College of Information Technology Education, Golden State College of Malumon Campus. Mr. Pablo Luigi Asis, MMIT, Program Head, College of IT Education, Golden State College of Kiamba, and Golden State College of Maasin Campus. Dr. Julie P. Sulit, PhD, Program Head, College of Arts and Education, Bachelor in Early Childhood Education, and Bachelor in Elementary Education. Ms. INC Sapungan Mahen, Program Head, College of Arts and Education, Bachelor in Secondary Education, and Bachelor in Physical Education. Engineer Rickson G. Makili, Program Head, Technical Vocational Education Department. The entrance of the members of the administration, guest of honor, and commencement speaker, beginning with Dr. Sarah J. T. Manila, DBA, PhD, Vice President, Dr. Warren MD, PhD, College President and Chief Executive Officer, together with our commencement speaker, Dr. John Michael B. Castino, LPT, Senior Education Specialist for Human Resource and Development, DepEd Region 12, Schools Division Office, General Santos City. The entrance of the color party.
Right, stop, stop. Right, stop, 1, 2,